Hi, this is Ross from T.W White Sons, and today I'm here to show you our 65 plate Honda HR-V. This vehicle's just come into us via part exchange. Exterior colour, as you can see, is a grey metallic, and it's got black leather upholstery. Vehicle is a one owner vehicle, and I'll now just bring you around the vehicle just to show you the condition. But all of the bodywork is all in excellent condition, as you can see as I bring you around. It's also got the privacy glass at the rear. And now as you come to the back of the vehicle, so the vehicle's got the rear parking sensors, which you can see just there. And you should also be able to see there, you've got the reversing camera as well. Now, open up the tailgate to show you the boot size. It's a really good size boot. You can see in there it's nice and deep. You've got a lot of height as well, especially if you take out the parcel shelf, you've got even more height if you do need it. Yeah, excellent space in the back there. And we now come round to the other side. And just like the other side, it's all in brilliant condition. No dents, no scratches. You can tell that the previous owner really did look after this vehicle. And you should also be able to see on the roof there, this vehicle has got the panoramic sunroof. You've also got the keyless entry on the door handle there. And I'll show you the interior. So as previously mentioned, this vehicle has got the black leather upholstery. And all of the leather's all in excellent condition. No tears or marks to it. And as we now come into the front of the vehicle, and again, all of the upholstery is in excellent condition. And as previously mentioned, there's your panoramic sunroof. It's excellent on a day like today to let a nice little bit of light in, or obviously open it up and get a bit of air coming into the vehicle. Now just down here on the driver's door, it's just where you've got your electric windows and your wing mirror adjustment. They are also auto folding. Down here you've just got your parking sensors, lane departure and a few other systems there. Open up into the vehicle, I'll just turn this down. So, as you can see, this vehicle is currently carried out 11,365 miles. The vehicle's got automatic wipers and also automatic lights. On your steering wheel, you just see your Bluetooth controls, change your information on the dash, and your cruise control and speed limiter there. And we come over here. This is where you've got your climate control. So it's dual climate control, so you can have one side hot or one side cold if you want. You've also got the heated wing mirrors and rear windscreen. And you've also got heated seats for the front. Oh, there we are. So it's a two-stage heating system for that as well. Let's come down here, so you just got the electric parking brake. You've got some storage in there, which you can also open up for a cup holder. You've got your armrest here, and again, more storage down there. You've also got storage inside the doors, and of course, you've got your parcel shelf as well. Parcel shelf? You've got your glove box there, sorry. So plenty of storage in the vehicle. And then on your infotainment system, this is where you've got your navigation, phone, so Bluetooth. Obviously, you can make and receive incoming calls or play your audio through there. And then you've also got the separate audio for if you want the CD player or if you want the radio. All the settings for the vehicle, so you can control it exactly how you want. AHA is an application that you can have for the vehicle, and there are more applications as well that you can have on the vehicle, so you can really customize this infotainment system, and there's a lot of good features that you can use through there. And as previously mentioned, you have got the reversing camera, so if you put the vehicle into reverse, you can see there it's a really good quality camera, and you can also change the display as well. So it's really good. Lots of features on this vehicle. You can just tailor the car exactly how you want it. So as mentioned, you've got the panoramic sunroof there, so you can, like I said, open it all the way up. Look at that. And you can, when this closes, if you don't want the light coming through, you've also got this bit here as well. So you can keep it nice and cool in here as well if you wanted to do so. So that is the inside of this HR-V. I'll just finish up outside the vehicle, just to show you the exterior one last time. So there we have it. So this is our Honda HR-V. If you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you'd like to make an appointment to come and view and test drive the vehicle, then please do give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.